We have various exercise props which we can use. So I'm going to use half kgs ankle weights today. Alright, you can do it even without ankle weights. We also have this balancing disc. Life is all about balance. So what I love about being a nutritionist and fitness expert, this dual or this combo helps me to understand how much calories is my client or my nutrition member is consuming, and at the same time, according to their calorie count, I can plan their very unique customized exercise card, so which helps them to get much better results and long run results, and I think which is very rare. Either you would be a nutritionist or either you would be an exercise expert, but since this 19 years, and I started this journey as a gymnast, and then I did my all the masters and MPhil and all the degrees in nutrition, and then the sports and clinical nutrition, and then I did my all the courses in yoga, meditation and various exercise, so which helps my clients in both the ways, because it's something like an holistic approach which is very important. You need to be very much relaxed in your mind, and you need to be giving 100% in your class. So to boost the confidence about your own body image and about your own self is so much important. So let's get started with few exercises which I wish to share with you and which you can do it at your home, right? So first and most, what I'm going to do is I'm going to lie on my one side. I hope I am audible and visible from here. So I have kept my both the legs straight, knees are straight. I have tucked in my belly button, and I'm just going to lift my one leg up and down. As I just mentioned, I have used half kgs ankle weights. So it is nicely intensifying my workout, giving a good pressure on my hamstrings and on my quadriceps and on my gluteal muscles. You can do 25 of this and then turn to an other side. The next exercise I wish to show you is again on the lateral. I'm going to place my one leg forward and I'm going to bend it. Let my knees stand. Again, tucking my belly button. Whenever I feel that I'm getting a pressure on my muscles, I'm going to exhale from my mouth, especially when I'm going to lift my leg up and down. This is an inner thigh exercise. 2, 3, 4, and you can complete such 25 counts. My third exercise will be again, I have kept my ankle weights on. You can take around half a minute's break between your two exercises, and I'm going to start lateral swimming. I'm going to create a horizontal circle in the air clockwise. Let's say around 10 times that I can continue. See, what I'm doing is I'm stretching my leg all at the back, then taking it slowly in the center, dropping it straight in the front, then balancing it, bending it backwards, and again in the center. Same thing, I can do it anti-clockwise, which is going to completely exercise my whole leg. Ankle weights is helping to intensify this exercise. So I can do it both the ways, clockwise and anti-clockwise. You can do it 10 times clockwise, 10 times anti-clockwise, and then stop. My fourth exercise is going to be a little bit advanced, but with the practice, yes, all of you can do it. Of course, when you're doing for or when you're going for any of the exercises, when you come to my studio, there are a lot of my students, my nutrition members, are performing exercises with me online on a video call as well, all across the world. We are handling almost 6 to 7 countries by now. In this lockdown, I think there are a lot of Indians who are not staying in India have connected to us and really doing well. Okay, so the fourth exercise, what I'm going to do is I'm going to lift my both the legs up in the air. Alright, I'm going to tuck in my belly buttons, literally contract my muscles. I'm going to lift my both the legs up and down. I can do this for around down 25 counts again. If you are a regular practitioner, then what you can do is you can do the 2 sets of this, and again you will repeat it on the other side as well. Now the 5th exercise, I am going to just do one leg up and down with one leg few centimeters away from my yoga mat. And then drop it down. My 6th exercise is bending my leg which is below, lifting my body a little bit from the hip, so hip is elevated, belly is tucked in, and you have to little bit blow from your mouth to reduce the pressure on your shoulders or on your lower back. And over here I am going to start kicking with one hand up at the head. It's really going to put a good amount of pressure on your laterals and going to kill those excess deposits at your love handles. Good exercise, must try. Okay, now next what I'm going to do is a half plank and then full plank on this side. Let me show you from the other side. The half plank would be balancing on my elbow, tucking my belly buttons, lifting my hip up, and even my hamstrings and quadriceps is going to be little away, few centimeters up from the floor. So I'm balancing it out, one hand is up and core is tight. I will try here few hip dips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow, wonderful. It was really a good killer exercise for my lateral backs. Now the same thing, I'm going to do it with full side plank. So I will be placing myself, my whole body controlled on my one hand and slowly doing a hip dip. And so on. So I've shown you almost 8 to 9 exercises to do it on lateral. People who are watching this video right now, they have any queries, they can get back to me in my fitness studio or in my nutrition clinic, or they can call me on 9870 440098. So let's make the month of December, the last month of 2020, as maybe a symbol of fitness. Let's say goodbye to 2020 with a good amount of fitness and also a good confidence that you will create about yourself, about your body, about your mental capacities. There are a lot of people or members or joinees who join newly. They feel that they can't perform these exercises and they are just too difficult for them. But give an attempt. We are here to help you out the right technique of performing all these exercises so you can avoid any sports injury. Let me tell you, these all exercises you must